Thank you for tuning in. Today I show you how you can remove the front license plate holder. First you gotta find the right drill bit. The best is you just match the center hole or use one of the dimensions which I show you here in the video. And then you just put it in a drill. It's plastic, so you don't have to use much force, you just drill it in. In case the rivet gets stuck on the drill, I show you how you get it off the drill. You just pull out the drill and then you use a plier and pull it off. This happened to me only on one rivet, so be careful in case it happens to all of you that the holder might fall off at the last hole. So always hold the holder so it doesn't fall off. Once you have the last one drilled, use the pliers and pull out the rivet. And again, once you pull the last rivet, hold the license plate holder so it doesn't fall off. Now I have it off. I gotta clean all the residue from the waxing and the coating I did previously. And then I show you where I get some decent plugs. There's a guy named Simon Z. I will show you here the Facebook profile of him so you can find him, write him. He does a real great job with sending out all that stuff. See the color, it matches really great to my car. Now all you gotta do is push them in. It is really easy to push them in. As you see here, there's no force needed, just push them slightly in. And once they're in, you see it's barely recognizable that there was ever a hole in there. So I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you and have a good day.